Hi, this is Eagle Vision 993 with a rather special unboxing video. This time a new old stock Motorola International 1000 cell phone from 1991. Completely unused and hopefully ready to use today, because this is already GSM standard, so it supports the digital cell phone service we are using today. And if I'm lucky, I may get a modern cell phone SIM card working in this unit. Now, this model comes in two versions actually. One with the model number ending A or B. And now only the B version will work with modern SIM cards. The A version will only work with 5-volt SIMs. But let's see what we got here. Absolutely new, as expected and described by the seller. This is the manual. Nice. This is, I have no idea what this is. It's operation. Oh, this is a registry of service numbers where you can call depending on where in Europe you're located. The antenna. This oh, you can actually load this phone on a cigarette lighter in your car. That's my SIM card that I already got for this phone. This is probably, yeah, the AC adapter. Yep. Put that back in here. This must be the battery. Yeah, it's heavy lead, probably lead acid, or what kind of battery do we have here? Doesn't actually say what it is, but it's certainly the battery. Now, for the main piece, let's check the serial first, so I can see if there's any chance for this phone to work today. B. Okay, it's a model number ends with a B, so this is actually quite high chance for us that this phone may work. I'll have to pause here and just a moment. I'll have to pause here and set this phone up, and then I'll come back to you and we will see if this actually works. So see you soon. Alright, everything is set up for the big test. I'm adding the SIM card here. And switching phone on. Let's see. Now, if it would work, it would now identify the... Oh, it does. It actually does. That's great. So this phone's actually working just the way it should. This is nice. This was certainly a nice buy. With a lot of luck to get the B model, not the A model, because That one would be pretty useless. Yeah, I'm pretty happy camper now. So I guess that's it. Have a nice day.